Hi to all. This is Sister Nasia from the Department of English. We shall discuss the short story The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. After studying the short story The Yellow Wallpaper, students will be able to find out the causes of the wife's depression in the yellow wallpaper. Evaluate women's resistance to the patriarchal rules in their society that confined, oppressed, and dehumanized women. The last one is they'll be able to become a spokesperson to the unspoken issues concerning the miserable life of women in the society. Charlotte Perkins Gilman had a difficult childhood after her father abandoned her family while she was still an infant. Her aunts, including prominent suffragist Isabel Beecher Hooker and author Harriet Beecher Stowe, helped to support her mother through this period. In 1884, she married Charles Walter Stetson and gave birth to their only child, a daughter. After the birth of her daughter, she suffered from postpartum depression and was prescribed an unsuccessful rest cure by Dr. Silas Ware Mitchell, who suggested that she focuses on domestic duties and avoid intellectual activity. She separated from her husband in 1888 and moved to Pasadena, California, and became an active voice in the feminist movement, publishing extensively on the role of women in the household. She was married again in 1900 to her first cousin, Houghton Gilman. In 1932, she was diagnosed with breast cancer, and in 1935, she committed suicide by taking an overdose of chloroform, which she viewed as preferable to death by cancer. Let us look at the historical context of the yellow wallpaper. Gilman was writing at the very beginnings of the progressive era in America, a time when many writers were using their art to contribute to a national conversation about social issues. In addition to her creative work, she wrote explicitly political books on the unhealthy dynamic of the traditional American family, arguing that everyone was made unhappy and unproductive by the system as it existed. During the lifetime of Gilman, majority of women suffered from being subjected to man and male dominance, which confined them into homes. Thereby, they were forbidden from the rights to work or to get knowledge or even to speak their minds. So, being affected by the miserable condition of women around her, Gilman wrote The Yellow Wallpaper in order to defend women in her society. Gilman uses her text as a tool to encourage and normalize women's resistance to the patriarchal rules in their society that confined, oppressed, and dehumanized women. Gilman uses her protagonist in the text as a role model for women in her society who were oppressed and left helpless. Throughout the text, Gilman tries to walk in the shoes of those women who never got a chance to be what they are and got broken at the end. Charlotte Perkins Gilman wrote The Yellow Wallpaper so as to defend women around her. She reflected her life experience as a mother and wife in her protagonist so as to draw readers' attention to unspoken issues concerning the miserable life of women. In this way, The Yellow Wallpaper can be considered as one of the masterpieces that introduces the postmodern readers to the condition of women in the late 19th century. It is an allegorical text that uses symbols to portray a clear picture of women's miserable life at that time. Through her work, Gilman wants to say that the patriarchal societies do everything in order to maintain their control over women. And sometimes these societies produce patriarchal literary works in order to encourage women to stay at home. Gilman presents the angel as helpless angel who is confined to dehumanized and deprived from her rights. Her husband notices some rebellious qualities in her, that is why he tries his best to keep her under his control. The problem with the narrator is that she is not ready to be a radical woman of her society, so she starts to write in order to spread awareness among women around her. Her awareness appears in the shape of a story that is called The Yellow Wallpaper. Students, here I have given you some YouTube links where you can watch both the summary and analysis. Also, there is a short film followed by the slide share where you can once again look at the life of the author, Gilman Perkins. Also, the little bit the analysis part followed by the questions where you can answer them. Coming to conclusion, the story reflects women's condition that getting minimal rights, they have restrictiveness movements, patriarchy law positioned them the second class in the society. The author reflects women's depression, causes, and treatment through her experience in the time. It attempts to show how society attributed a woman's medical problems to the biological imbalances of her reproductive system. The story portrays the emergence of an entirely new woman who frees herself from the enslavement produced by male power. The protagonist of The Yellow Wallpaper is unnamed. Thank you.